Picture nito. Okay. Wow. Kay ko na lang 9% talagang cellphone. Kapitan na ta. Kapitan na ta. Upat ng cellphone na.
Has just started its operation last night. So sa mga wala kayo sa hapon, gusto mag-inom of snacks, of coffee, you may visit any of our concessionaires sa Google sa Atuang Christmas tree. We're also inviting everyone to join us sa Atuang Christmas at the Capitol Photo Challenge. So ang photo challenge na ito, kinahanglan mo mag-take a picture or selfie during the Provincial Capitol building during the 3D light show as your backdrop. Christmas 2024 for you to have a chance to win for your photo to be selected and for you to have a chance to win our cash prize. So i-post na inyo ang mga selfie with our 3D light show as the backdrop. Pahinumdum lang sa tanan natong mga bisita. While our 3D light show is ongoing, dili ta pwede mo ang view of our 3D light show. So it's still 5:48 in the evening. At 7 p.m. we will begin the first showing of our 3D light show for tonight. it will be the second schedule para sa itong 3D live show is at 8 live.